Alright everybody, I'm gonna make this very quick because I watched other people's videos and they were long for no reason. Now, if you're here, it's probably because you're just looking for how you can use content aware deleting features, and a quick explanation is content aware is when you delete an item in Photoshop and you just make it disappear, and whatever is around the background will just appear the same, so it's almost like just making the item disappear. Now, selecting the item, you can use the lasso tool, you can use many different methods, but the one I like to use the paintbrush. Let me make the paintbrush very big, and I'm gonna select the item. I want to make the paintbrush big enough so that I can just select it very quickly. I'm gonna paint over the items that I want um, erased and replaced. So for example, I want to make this orange um, disappear, right? I'm gonna inverse that selection, and now to do content aware, you can press Option Delete on Mac. You can also press Control Delete on Windows, or on mine it's Shift F5. And I'm gonna press Shift F5, and you get content aware, and I press OK, and it should delete the item and make it look like it was never there in the first place. Now let me deselect. I'm gonna try and clean this up as much as I can. So for example, you can still see that there's still some little bit of shadows there. I'm going to also erase that, make sure that it's actually not there anymore, and basically I'm gonna show you how to make this look like the background is just uniform and as if there was no lemon at all. And gonna get out of here, inverse the selection, Shift F5 or Control Delete, and then content aware, and I press OK. I never change the settings in the content aware, I just leave it the way that it's supposed to be. And yeah, that's it. So that's how you do content aware deletion. I hope this helped, and I tried to make it as quick as possible. And till next time, peace.